Alright, hi guys. I just want to make a really quick video if I can to help you guys out. Hopefully you've heard of the program or application on the iPhone, the iPad, and the Android. It's called Apptrailers, and you can make money watching trailers about apps. What you do is these videos, you can make points, and the points you can turn into cash for your PayPal account, or you can get gift cards. So the workaround that I found is I found two workarounds actually. One, a way to speed up the videos, so you don't have to spend as much time watching them. The other workaround is an AutoMouseClicker, an AutoMouseClicker. So in other words, all you're doing is your phone's just laying there and making money. Straight up laying there and making money. No joke. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to continue. The first two things you're going to need to do is get Ultra VNC at download.com. Then you're going to want to get AutoMouseClicker 2.20 at softpedia.com. Once you download those and you install those, and you have, your jailbroken iPhone, you're also going to need to get two applications, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do. And before you get all confused as to what I'm doing, I'm going to just go ahead and open up VNC Viewer here. Once you have VNC Viewer downloaded, you're going to want to find out your host, which is the host of your iPhone or your iPad. Okay. And I'll show you how to find that. So I normally auto scale so it fits the screen really well. Then I connect and I put in my password. Now, for Ultra VNC Viewer to work, this is what I'm doing right here is your second step. I'm going to have to do the second step to show you the first step, okay? So this is your second step, is to connect. Okay. Now, what I'm going to show you is your first step. Your first step is going to be to go into Cydia, and you're going to want to get VNC and fast forward. So if you've already downloaded Ultra VNC and AutoMouseClicker, these two programs right here, you've installed them, your next step is fast forward VNC. Okay, so you're going to do a search for those. Fast forward is just one word. Fast forward. VNC is VEENCY. I'm going to show you as fast as I can here how to get those in Cydia. It's real simple. You mainly just do a search for them. They come up. Excuse me. You click on them. You install them. They're there. I mean, it's very simple. Like I said, you click on them. Your button up here is going to be install. They're there. So there's fast forward. You're going to need that one, okay? And that's from Big Boss Tweaks. And then you're going to want to get VNC, which is going to make VNCY Viewer, Ultra VNC Viewer, work. That's what VNC does. It turns your, well, it's a VNC server for the iPhone. There it is right there. Pretty much tells you. So you install those. Now, what you're going to want to do is with VNC, you're going to have to go into your settings. Okay, and let me find it. And with VNC, you're just going to want to make sure it's enabled. I can't disable it. I think it'll disconnect me. So you're going to want to make sure it's enabled. Make you a password here, something easy to remember. Okay. So that's VNC. Once that is done, then it's your second. Once you have VNC on your iPhone, the next thing for you to do that's not the next thing for you to do. Next thing for you to do is something on your iPhone. Alright, so the next thing for you to do is to go to your Wi-Fi in settings, your Wi-Fi connection, and then you're going to want to hit your little arrow here, and then it's going to tell you what the IP address is for the device, and that's what you're going to want to need. That's what you're going to need. Alright, that's what you're going to need to connect with VNC Viewer. Alright, so with that said, to open that, put that in as your host, auto scale, and then we're going to connect. You're going to put in your password that you made. You're going to log on, and that's that. First things down pat. Okay, second program was Fast Forward, and that's your second app. You're going to want to go into Fast Forward. You're going to want to open it, click on it, open it, and you're going to want to make sure that Apptrailers is enabled and on. Then you're going to want to go to your settings and make sure that your playback rate is 20. Anything higher than that, you will not get your points. I promise you, you will not get your points. Okay, so then the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open your Apptrailers, and you're going to want to go in to where you go if you're going to watch your videos. Okay, now the really good thing about Fast Forward, I'm going to show you how it works. The really good thing about Fast Forward is it fast forwards your videos. Look how fast that is. I mean, it's amazing. Yep, there you go. You earned 5 points. So it's that fast. I'm clicking that with my hands. What we need to figure out now is an AutoMouseClicker, something that will make those clicks for us so we don't have to do it, but we can make money. And the way to do that is with the AutoMouseClicker. So you're going to want that loaded. When that is loaded, first thing you're going to want to need to know is, first thing you're going to want to do is hit your options and configure your mouse events. Or you can do Control E, whatever's faster. Okay. Now I'm going to configure it for you, show you how I configure it. Alright, you're going to make sure that you're going to loop your events, and you're going to want to put a 0 in there for infinite, so it will continuously loop. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate your first mouse click. And your first mouse click, you click there for that. First mouse click is right here. Okay, so you just do it twice. Sometimes you have to do it twice for it to store. Then you're going to want to minimize this, because sometimes for some reason it doesn't want to work unless I minimize it. There we go. Alright, so it stored it. Then you're going to want to add your second mouse click. And with the first one, we're going to leave it at 1 second. Like I said, 1000 is 1 second. Then you're going to want to locate your second mouse click. Do it twice. Minimize. Now, this is just to set it up. You're not going to have to do this every time. Now, I want that second mouse click to click 20 seconds later. That's 20 seconds later, right there. Okay? That differentiates between your left or your mouse right button. Obviously, we're using the left. Now, you're going to want to save this, and it's going to save it on your desktop. So, what that does is when I close out of the program and I reopen it and I go to options and hit my configure mouse events, I don't have to configure them all over again. I can just load the XML, and it's automatically loaded. Okay, you see what I'm saying? Alright, so you're all done. You're all done. So guess what happens now? You make the money. All you do is you click on Start Events, and you make money. Your phone's laying there, and you're making money. It's amazing. If you have any questions, definitely give me a shout out. If you want another video regarding the jailbreaking for the iPhone 4, I can definitely show you how to do that. And also, I do want to add in there that sometimes Apptrailers does tend to crash. When it does, you know, all you have to do, it's no big deal. Let's just say, you know, you're sitting here and you're watching your, you know, and you look over at your phone, and, you know, oops, you're on the home screen. If that happens, you're just going to want to click stop on your computer, like so, and you're going to want mouse events to come back up. That. I just want to make sure I get my points here. Okay, so let's just say, boop, you're on your home screen. Oh man, Apptrailers crashed again. So all you got to do is open it back up. If it crashes, you're not going to be able to come right straight back to this screen, obviously. I'm going to search for you another video to watch. But after that, once you're on your screen, you just click Start Events again, and it starts right over. Simple fix, simple fix. So yeah, I usually just leave it running all night, and I make money. If you have, like I said, if you have any questions, definitely hit me up. Hope this helps. Jailbreak your iPhone and enjoy it. Peace.